Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss May 4th 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. The saffron cultivated and harvested in the Karaval Highlands of which Indian state or union territory has got GI tag recently, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Along with this, I already discussed yesterday the Chak the black rice of Manipur and Gorakhpur terracotta and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai of Tamil Nadu and some other got this GI tag. And Jammu and Kashmir gets the GI tag by the Geographical Indications Registry, and Iran is the largest producer of saffron in the world. Next one, which Indian state has represented rupees 2,11,761 crore state budget for the financial year 2020-21 recently by the State Finance Minister and Deputy CM Sushil Kumar Modi. That state is Bihar. The government of Bihar, led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, presented rupees 2,11,161 crore state budget for the financial year 2021 with a special emphasis on education, health and infrastructure. It was presented by State Finance Minister and Deputy CM Sushil Kumar Modi, which was his 11th budget speech. Okay, next one. What will be the financial grant that was approved by the World Bank for the multi-year financial support to India to enhance and safeguard its coastal and marine resources? That is $400 million. The World Bank's Board of Executive Directors has approved a $400 million multi-year financial support to help India and also enhance its coastal and marine resources and also to protect marine resources and coastal populations from the pollution, erosion and sea level rise and improve their livelihood opportunities for coastal communities over the next decade. If you talk about World Bank, it was formed in 1944, headquarters located in Washington DC, that is United States. President is David Malpass. Next one, Ramesh Babu V has been appointed as the Director of Operations of which public sector company? That is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Its headquarters located in New Delhi and Chairman and CEO and Managing Director is Gurpreet Singh. Okay, next one. The Union Communication and Electronics IT Minister has participated the extraordinary virtual G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting recently. Who is the present Communication and Electronics and IT Minister of India? He is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Extraordinary virtual G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting was held to discuss the challenges posed by the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic and also force a global coordinated response to digital technologies. The meeting was attended by the digital ministers of G20 members, invited countries and international organizations. India was presented by the Union Ministry of Law and Justice, Communications and Electronics and IT. He is Ravi Shankar Prasad. If you talk about G20, that is 20 group of 20 members. Its members are Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Republic of Korea, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, UK, United States and also European Union. Spain is a permanent guest and invitee to the G20 meetings. Current presidency is Saudi Arabia. Its theme is Realizing opportunities of the 21st century for all. Chairman is Saudi Arabian King Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud 2020. He is chairman for the 2020. These are the countries members of G20. Next one. The Commonwealth Games Federation CGF has postponed the 7th season of Commonwealth Games for the 2021 to 2023. Where is headquarters of CGF located? It is located in London. Commonwealth Games Federation, the organization responsible for the control of the Commonwealth Games, has postponed the proposed 7th season of Commonwealth Youth Games 2021 to 2023 following a clash with the Tokyo Olympic 2020 dates postponed by the year due to the coronavirus COVID-19 epidemic. If we talk about Commonwealth Games Federation, headquarters located in London, UK, members are 71 members and president is Dame Lucy Morton. It is currently branded as Commonwealth Sport. If we talk about International Olympics Committee IOC, headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland, president is Thomas Bach. Next question. Odisha's Bijay Mishra, who passed away recently, he is a playwright. He is a noted playwright, dramatist, and a script writer and a film director. He passed away recently. He is from Odisha. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next question. When was the Ayushman Bharat Divas celebrated annually? It is celebrated annually on 30th April. As a part of Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, Ayushman Bharati is celebrated across the country every year on 30th April to mark the state of Ayushman Bharati Yojana, which is also referred as AB National Health Protection Scheme or Modi Care and also known as AB Pradhana Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 30, 2018. Next question. Which among the following day was observed annually on May 2nd since 2017? That is World Tuna Day. World Tuna Day is observed on May 2nd every year. The United Nations established the World Tuna Day to raise awareness about the tuna fish and its importance to humans and Earth. The day is observed to promote more sustainable fishing practices. Okay, next one. The International Astronomy Day of Spring Season for 2020 was observed on May 2nd, in which year the International Year of Astronomy launched the International Astronomical Union. That is in 2009. If we talk about UNESCO, headquarters located in Paris, France, Director General is Audrey Azoulay. If we talk about International Astronomical Union, headquarters located in Paris, France, President is Yvan Van Dijk. Next question. When was the National Guide Dog Day 2020 was observed? It is observed on April 29. International Guide Dog Day 2020 is observed on April 29. That is every year last Wednesday of April. This year it came in April 29. The main aim of this day is to create awareness about guide dogs and also honor for supporting visually impaired people as faithful companion. This day was designated by International Guide Dog Federation with the idea who created the Dog of Guide Day. He is Johann William Klein. Next question. Which Center of Council and Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR has developed Kisan Sabha app? That is CSIR Central Road Research Institute CRRI. Its director of CRRI is Satish Chandra, headquarters located in New Delhi, established in 1952. Next one. Ministry of Development for the North Eastern Region has directed Arunachal Pradesh to invoke Chakmas Hakjan tribes in COVID-19 relief plan. Who is Ministry of this North Eastern region? He is Jitendra Singh. Next question. Socotra Archipelago is the UNESCO heritage site located in which country? It is located in Yemen. Next one. Where is the headquarters of Food and Agricultural Organization located? It is located in Rome. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to download the PDF, go through the Telegram channel given below in the description box. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.